This is a little update on the workshop build up in Avon Park, Florida at Lake Letta. And this past 2 weeks we were up there working because everything shut down here kind of in Miami with the coronavirus, and also we're working on the 30 by 50 all framed workshop, wood shop, whatever. I got my CNC machine to go in there, and my big table saw all my equipment and all my woodworking stuff to put there, and my architect's studio to put in there. And we left it a few weeks ago with one gable end truss up and some of the beams not there. And then we came back and we built this crane, this crane here that we put a little winch on the top of it, and I built it all from scrap material, and it's holding up one of the trusses there. And you can see that I'm building the outlookers for the gable end. And I have a lineman's belt on. You can't really see it, but I'm strapping myself, fiddling with it right there, strapping myself to the trusses and hanging on for dear life, because I am absolutely not a up in the air sort of person. But when you got to do something, you got to do it, and here I am still at it. So but I enjoyed it. I had a good time, and I got confident up there after a little bit. But we're pretty much ready to start running trusses. We've got the first three. These are gambrel trusses, and they have a flat section 10 foot in the middle. So we're ready to the point now to start running trusses. So when I'm going to spend a couple of weeks here probably in Miami, and then head back up there and hopefully knock out the rest of the trusses. We're pre-painting them and putting them up. We paint them, we let them dry, we bring them over, and we put them up. That's the game plan. So that's pretty much it for right now. So really appreciate you watching these videos. I'm going to try to perfect how I'm putting them together and make them better. But thanks for watching. Take care.